This is a very simple capture problem for white. Black has 2 cutting points, and the correct move is this cut. Because white has a stone here, this is something that you should be aware of in games. If you have a stone here, it's very easy to make a connecting die. So black can only try to capture number 1, but white can come in and atari twice like this. And now black already cannot connect. If black connects, white can cut like this. And now black only has 1 liberty left, and white will be able to capture black this way. After number 1, black doesn't have any good choices. You'll end up with this pattern no matter what, unless black connects here, and now allowing white to capture these 4 black stones like this. So overall, a very simple pattern, but a very useful one. When you have a stone here on the first line, it is very important to consider connecting die and cutting. It's important to know that this whole problem is set up by this 1 stone standing here on the first line. Without this stone, white cannot succeed. Thank you for watching.